What if I told you that skipping one $30 maintenance task today could cost you over $3,000 tomorrow? Yeah, that's the kind of math we don't mess with. Welcome to Auto Repair, the channel where everyday drivers become DIY legends. Today, I'm giving you 5 essential car maintenance tips that protect your wallet, your car, and your peace of mind. Stick around to the end. One of the most forgotten tips could be silently destroying your engine right now. Tip number 1: oil and filter change. Your engine is like your heart and oil is the lifeblood. Change it and the filter every 5,000 miles or sooner if you drive in tough conditions. Skipping this? That's like never drinking water and expecting to run a marathon. No, synthetic oil does not make your car immortal. Tip number 2: fuel injector cleaner. Your car breathes fuel, but dirty injectors. That's like trying to sprint with a clogged nose. Use a quality fuel injector cleaner every 10k 20k miles to keep fuel economy sharp and acceleration smooth. Tip number 3: transmission fluid. Lifetime fluid. Big myth. For most automatics, change it between 80,000 to 120,000 miles. CVTs 30k 60k. Dual clutch 40k 60k. Old dirty fluid can lead to one of the most expensive repairs you'll ever face. Tip number 4: tire maintenance. Tire pressure monthly. Rotate every 5k 8k miles. Why? Underinflated tires burn fuel faster and wear out unevenly, or worse, blow out at high speed. Quick mental image: imagine being stranded at night on the highway because of something a $20 pressure gauge could have prevented. Tip number 5: power steering fluid. If your car uses hydraulic power steering, check the fluid every oil change. It should be a clear red. Replace it around 70k 90k miles to avoid stiff steering and costly pump repairs. Keeping your car healthy doesn't take a mechanic's degree, just the right mindset and a bit of know-how. Every dollar you save on preventable repairs is a dollar earned toward your next road trip, upgrade, or emergency fund. If this video helped you feel more in control, give it a like and subscribe to Auto Repair for more no-fluff car wisdom straight from the garage. Your car takes care of you. It's time to return the favor.